Oh well, guys, we're here at the Stockyard. We're waiting for our people so we can go. We just purchased the tickets over here for the maze. So guys, I can't wait to see what it is. So stay here, stay tuned. So as I'm gonna take you around, enjoy the vlog, guys. And if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing, guys. This is the channel you need to be. More vlogs coming. Stockyard here. Come on, hey. So I'll take you there when we are together. Okay? Stay tuned. Like, you are not the only one. Yeah. Oh, I like that. Look at that. That's cute.
Long as 120 days. I don't know if they got overtime for that. That's about how long. They only went 8 to 12 miles a day. That's it, 8 to 12 miles. Now, hopefully, back in those days, it was a little different. But you had to enjoy sleeping in the outdoors. So that's how they did it. They would have with them a remuda. A remuda is a Spanish word for group of horses. Those horses were probably wild, probably as they went up. And cowboys would sometimes change horses as much as 2 to 3 times a day, even though they weren't going to.
So guys, we are going to the maze. Are you even ready? I know. I'm just gonna put mine too. Okay, guys, this is the instructions when you go in. You have to read this, the instructions. So we're going to the maze right here. So each time you find one of the letter, punch your ticket. So we have to go. This is the hint. They're giving a hint, guys. But we're going in here. This is where we are going, in here. So okay, guys, this is how the ticket looks like. These are the tickets.
Now we have to find.
So we have to find these letters and punch. Okay, this one say nice to see you. There we go. Nice to see you again. We are in the maze, guys. This is how it looks like. It has corners in here, so you have to keep twisting yourself inside this corner. And then let's say shortcut. Which one are we going? Let's go. Yes. Oh, sorry. Let's keep going, guys. This is the maze. This is how it looks like. Huh? What in the world is this? What is? What? Shortcut. Okay, guys. Are you lost? Yes, we are. So let's go here. Go here. Maybe go here. And this one, nice. See you. Do not under. I don't want to get lost by myself. Guys, we are lost. The thing is, you have to keep twisting it. Now we find, I think, one of them. So we go up there, stairs, and we go. Oh, we found A. We found A, guys. Look at it. We found A. So what are we supposed to do? We punch it. Okay, now guys, look at that. This is how it looks like up here. We need to go find M, N. Guys, this is how the maze looks like in here.
Or any letter.
Yes. So we need to go back in there to find some more letters. Okay, that's how. Yeah.
So we should.
It's not easy to get in there. This is the puncher, so you have to come back and punch right here. So let's go back and find more numbers. Guys, come on with me. This is a good exercise. That was A. We found the Z, number 2. We found 2 numbers. Let's go find more. Come on. Let's go find more. We need to go find more. Come on, guys. No smoking. Guys, this is weird.
Ease up the stairs.
Oh, yeah. There's something up there. Guys, the maze is so fun. Has these corners. Oh, my word.
That's a dead end.
Guys, it's a dead end. Guess we should go this way.
I think we go over. No,
Over here.
stay.
Guys, we'll find.
That's how we came in. No. The other way. We're trying to get there.
Guys, we're trying to find more numbers.
Maybe if we go.
Why?
We are lost. Guys, it looks like we found all our numbers. Now we need to go. Yeah, now we need to go punch our time that we got. Get all the phone numbers. So we're heading out. We can't even get out of here. It's so tricky. I love the maze. Stockyard has fun, guys. Are you not enjoying it? Let's go find this exit. I see something say exit. So we're trying to find exit. Are you lost?
Go, Henry!
Okay, I want y'all to find.
So you punch your numbers.
Okay, how long did it take us?
You punch your tickets right here. Okay, guys, we're done with the maze. Now, what do you think?
Time.
Time. Was it 13 minutes?
We can do horses next.
Yeah, now we're going to do horses. Let's go, guys. Come on, let's go. And these are the prices right here. Hey, horsey. Hello. Hey. Oh, look at these horses. Look at them. So cute. Oh, look at them. They're eating. I don't know what they're eating. Look at them. That's a good one. Oh, horsey. Oh, horsey. Ooh, like that. Ah. Oop. Can we walk in there and see what is in there? I just want to make a video. That's why can we walk in here? Do y'all want a drink or something or
Like a smoothie.
a smoothie? Let's go find smoothie.
If they have one.
How many you can eat? Do you want to eat? I don't know.
But she's hungry. Or like a snack. Okay.
Oopsie. Hi.
How's it going?
Good, good. Thank you. What do you want? I like t-shirts. So guys, we're trying to find a souvenir. We're inside the Stockyard shop where they have everything you may need. So let me swap. This is how everything looks like in here. I love it. Look at that. This is forward Stockyard. It is really good. I love the t-shirts. Stockyard or forward. Look at the t-shirts. They have all the souvenirs, the rings, the t-shirts, the cups. There's more of it. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff. So, that's my cousin and my niece. They're trying. My cousin is trying to get a souvenir because she came from out of state, so she needs to get something for Texas. We're trying to find something for her. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. That's cute. That's cute. I like this. So there's it. So Single, Texas. I think it's cute. Okay guys, let's go around see what they have. They have a bunch of souvenirs here. Really nice. So whenever you come to Stockyard and riding the bulls and the horses and the maze and this, they have lots of activities. When you're done, you can come over here and get a souvenir if you're coming from out of state. Even if you're here, you know, try to move around, you know, walk around and see. You can get this for kids, little cozy mommy in here, little cute kids, babies. I love this. So this store isn't for what, guys? People are here trying to buy. I love these t-shirts. Guys, these are knives. Knives, and they have names. Natalie, Nancy, Joanne, Juan, Patrick. Knives that has names, so you may find your own name here. Let me see if I can find. I found Jake. They have Jake, Ian, so, or Jenny, Jeremy. If your name is Jeremy, you come here, you find your own knife. They have rags and they have t-shirts, a bunch of t-shirts here. They have goodies. And they have this, look at the Longhorn. That's the Longhorn for Texas. They have hoodies over here. This is cute. So, this is amazing. Guys, you found something? You found, are you going to carry that one? How?
That's what I'm asking. I can put it in my
Yeah, it will. If my husband can take plates home, you can.
plate.
He took plates home. Seriously, we wanted to try if we can transfer some. He did. So, what do you need? Pretty much that's it. These are the things. Okay. Not a fan of that. I think this should be enough.
Yeah.
That's good for you. You don't need much. We are done here. You can just walk around. Do you want a hat?
Let's see how much it's
How much it is? It's a good souvenir.
$7.
Rudisha. How much?
It depends if you're gonna like. No, how much someone.
We should, Jack, we should have taken her to Trader's Village. But now it's Sunday. Because maybe we can go Sunday morning. Where? To the end of Sunday morning, we took my hats. It's an open air market. Just one. Something for, yeah, it's just $5. You don't need here. You know, this is downtown,
Yeah,
so don't worry, we'll get that.
Let's
Yeah.
just see what they have. If I have to buy the t-shirt, I have to go to the t-shirt.
I know.
Oh, okay.
Not this one.
Not the baby.
You don't even need.
I don't like.
I think this should be good.
Here.
Wow, look at our
This is mine.
guys, forward. I know, look at that food, y'all. Look at that. I'm gonna take your picture again like yesterday. You ate those baby ribs.
Before and after.
Yes, look at that. Guys, this is our dinner / lunch. I don't know, but it is beautiful. Wait a minute, what was it? I'm gonna try the kiwi. Oh my goodness, this is so good. It's a kiwi drink.
But look,
So
I
good.
trust you.
Yes. Jackie, what did you? What was this?
Oh, this is mine.
Okay, I see cheese. I knew that was yours. I ordered some chicken over. Oh, I ordered the avocado. Ooh, you can cut it.
I'm taking it.
Good. Good. Look at those fun cars.
I can ask you. It's your price.
You eat your price with anything. We're having fun, guys, in Fort Worth, Texas. Let me enjoy my food. Okay. There's a moment of truth, guys. For my niece. There you go. Oh my. Whoa. Let me see yours. I'm gonna take a bite of mine. Look at that. Wow. It's so yummy. Let me take mine, guys. Look at that. Look at mine. My goodness. With the pickle, avocado. Oh, done. Whoa. We just destroyed this.